Hello fellow treasure hunters and history enthusiasts. This is your Gold Rush gal, bringing you an absolutely breathtaking discovery that will leave you speechless. Today, I'm about to take you on a remarkable journey as we witness an astonishing excavation, one that uncovers a hidden mystery buried deep beneath the Earth's surface. The sheer excitement of this find, the history behind it, and the wonder of witnessing treasure being unearthed in real time will surely captivate your imagination. So grab your explorer's hat and let's dive into this mesmerizing adventure. In the end, this treasure is more than just gold and silver. It is a reward for perseverance, a symbol of time's endurance, and a gift from history to those who seek it. The old working men who toiled to unearth these treasures have been paid in a currency far more valuable than gold, the currency of legacy, mystery, and discovery. He slowly pries open the lid. At first it appears to be just more dirt, but as he sifts through it, a golden glint catches his eye. He pulls out what looks like ancient gold artifacts, perhaps ceremonial items or even currency from an old empire. The craftsmanship is stunning and the purity of the gold suggests immense value. It's unbelievable. The second jar is even more astonishing than the first. He takes a deep breath and begins to crack open the jar from its backside. The moment of truth is here. As he carefully breaks the seal, a glimmer catches the light, something metallic tumbles out, the crowd holds their breath, and then there it is, coins. The digger gently brushes off the dirt, revealing the jar's ancient structure. It appears handmade, with intricate carvings barely visible beneath the centuries of soil. Carefully, he lifts the jar out of the ground and examines it under the light. The weight of the jar suggests something substantial inside. The suspense is thrilling. But wait, the adventure isn't over yet. The digger wipes his brow and turns his attention to another jar resting in the same pit. The first jar alone was an incredible find, but could there be more? Excitement builds as he begins to clear the mud off this second container. What an absolutely mind-blowing journey this has been. The thrill of the hunt, the suspense of the excavation, and the ultimate reveal of such priceless artifacts make this one of the most unforgettable discoveries in history. To witness such a moment is a privilege, and I am so grateful to be able to share it with you all.